Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Today we're making naked cake, a super simple chocolate cake recipe with cherries on top. What more could you want? Start by mixing together 90 milliliters of milk with 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Once mixed, set it aside for 10 to 15 minutes and let it do its magic. Meanwhile, mix together 80 grams of caster sugar with 60 milliliters of oil. Then mix in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and 200 milliliters of condensed milk. Pour in your milk vinegar mixture, blend it all together. Now sift in the dry ingredients. We want 130 grams of refined flour, 30 grams of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and finally 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now fold it in with a spatula. And your cake mixture is ready. Pour it into a 6-inch lined cake tin. Give it a few taps and bake at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. It should come out looking something like this. Allow to cool, then remove from the tin. Slice off the top. Then slice in half. Now spoon on some sugar syrup and let it sink into the sponge. Pipe on chocolate ganache. Add the top layer of cake, more sugar syrup, more chocolate ganache, spreading it evenly to cover the top. And finally sprinkle on some chocolate shavings and add fresh cherries in the middle. And for a finishing touch, some mint leaves. And there you have it. Beautiful, chocolatey, naked cake. Enjoy! Here's 2 fantastic chocolate cake decoration ideas. Start by heating 200 milliliters of heavy cream and 100 milliliters of milk. Bring those to the boil, give it a quick mix. Then turn off the heat and pour it over 400 grams of dark chocolate. Mix until the chocolate has melted through. Then add in 50 grams of butter. Now get your chocolate cake, pop it on a display board and put on some chocolate buttercream frosting. Layer it up. Smoothing around the edges. Then pipe on more buttercream frosting to cover the sides. Smoothing it out. And pipe on the chocolate ganache. All the way around the edge, letting it drip down the sides. And let's cover the top too. Smoothing it out. Perfect! Let's decorate. We're adding a chocolate glazed donut, or 2, or 3, and some Ferrero Rocher, some Kit Kat balls, and chocolate bars. Decorate with any chocolate of your choice, using the chocolate buttercream frosting as glue to stick it on. And there you have a wonderful work of art, chocolate paradise. What an amazing showstopper for any party. Now for our second decoration idea, cutting out the centre of some chocolate cakes. Then get a full one, cover with buttercream frosting, smooth around the edges, and pop on your cake ring. Layering it up with buttercream frosting and filling the hole in the middle with chocolate ganache. Let's cover that up. Coating the entire cake now. Smooth and lovely. Time to decorate! We're going to add some chocolate shavings using a box grater or microplane. Covering the top. Stick some on the sides. In fact, let's do the whole cake. Then decorate the top with some chocolate ganache, piped on with a decorative piping nozzle. Stick on some Ferrero Rocher chocolates. A bit more chocolate ganache around the bottom of the cake. And there you have it! A wonderful Ferrero Rocher shredded chocolate lava cake. Ooh, delicious. So, which design do you prefer? Ooh, so hard to decide. We've got a wonderful chocolate chessboard cake for you. Start by whisking 6 eggs together in a mixing bowl with 500 grams of cake mix. Add 100 milliliters of milk and 60 milliliters of oil. Once all combined, just pop it aside and in a new bowl add 20 grams of cocoa powder and 60 milliliters of hot water. Give it a mix till all the cocoa powder has dissolved. Now pour half of your cake mixture into a separate bowl and add in your chocolate mixture. Give it a stir. This will make the chocolate part of your cake. Let's pour both parts into readily lined cake tins. Bake those in the oven at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. While those are cooking, we're going to bring to the boil 200 milliliters of heavy cream, plus 10 grams of Earl Grey tea leaves. Give them a mix and let them boil. Next, melt 200 grams of dark chocolate. Then through a sieve, pour in your cream mixture. Use a spoon to ease it through. No problem if a few of the tea leaves escape through the holes. Just give that a mix. There. Pop it aside and in a new bowl add 200 milliliters of whipping cream and 10 grams of icing sugar. Whisk it up till it's thickened. Now lay out your cakes. And we're going to use a circular cutter on each cake. Starting with large, then medium, then small. Now remove every other piece from each cake and switch them over. This is how we're going to create our lovely checkered effect. Right, let's build the final showpiece. One layer goes on there, covered in chocolate ganache. Spread it out evenly, then pop on the next layer, and so on. Now cover the entire cake with your whipped cream and icing sugar mixture. Smoothing it out. And pour on the rest of your chocolate ganache. Spreading it out very carefully, allowing it to drip down the sides. Fantastic. Now let's decorate with some more whipped cream, piped on with a decorative piping nozzle. And how about a few chocolate-dipped macarons? Light to dark, light to dark. Continuing with the checkered theme. And there you have it. Absolutely amazing. And the only thing left to do now is dig in. And it's checkmate. Enjoy!